Guten Morgen. It's 10:30. I got up at 9. Pure shit today. It's been at work, but it's pissing it down yet again, as you'll be able to hear in a minute. But yeah, it's a shit day once again. I don't think we've got much planned. The dogs are away. They're at doggy daycare. My bread's come solid, great. Yeah, they're at doggy daycare. They go to like a daycare thing on a Friday and Monday just because socialise and stuff. But anyway, cracking on today. Gym, go to the gym. And I can't really think about what else. But yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though so I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try.
Bite size and a Caesar salad. Go easy on the croutons then.
I'll have myself a Canadian club and soda and a big old bucket of buffalo wings here with a bit of Tabasco sauce if you don't mind. Aye. You'll have 2 lager and 2 toasties like the other.
Once they're doing it, you can bring them over.
No. Well, we'll just stand here, eh, there?
Aye, we'll stand here and wait for it.
That's it's £24.80. That's what the man said.
The boys meet an old friend of their Aunt Agnes.
So, when up... Oh my goodness. I was going to go for a run, but I've decided not to. I've just been resting my leg. Resting. Relaxing. Chillaxing. But yeah, might just go to the gym, do some pull-ups, press-ups. Get on that. I need to eat some chicken. Tell you what, chicken and rice is boring as... It's one of the most boringest... Yeah. But I've just rambled. That was just a whole lot of rambling. Anyway, I'm going to eat. I've just been watching the GoPro Hero 7, I think. Yeah, looks decent. Like, I mean, if I could afford one, I'd get one. But I can't afford one, so I'm not gonna get one.
Die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. religiously, so I don't repeat history, and people won't admit to me.
Alright, so about to go to the gym. Just see what I do. I'm not too sure what I might do. Just tend to make it up. Tend to involve press-ups, sit-ups, and pull-ups, but I normally do some sprints, but not today. So instead of sprints, I'll probably just jump on leg machine or something. See how that goes with my ankle. But yeah, gym, and then when we get back, I might just go on. You know what? I've played on my Xbox last week. If you know Fable 2, play Fable 2, completed it in 2 days, which is a bit of a bummer. I was hoping for it longer. But I'm going to jump on Fortnite. That, or I was going to go and download Modern Warfare 2. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, shit. Yeah, nah, forget that. I'd have to buy Live again. I'm not buying that. I ain't got any money. So, I don't know if we've got any games for the PS4. A lot of the games on the PS4 are shite. We're going to go to the gym now.
I just like the sound of it.
Yeah, I've been all alone. They just started coming after me when I got on. Started think I'm fly cause I got Balenciagas on. All my bitches know I do 'em right and never wrong. Yeah, I can't go inside, I can't even hide. Yeah, no one hit my line, no you cannot slide. I was with them bands, always been the man. Yeah, said you understand, but you don't understand. How can I add it up? I got too much dough in my pocket to let it up. These niggas be federals, they act like your homie, they leave and go tell it up. Don't fit in my schedule. I fucked out these thotties, I'm packing the centerfolds. You smoking on general, was way out the molly, that's how they look terrible. Just let the picture roll, too much sauce invincible. Trap outside the kitchen door, move out cold like winter cold. Threesome with some tender hoes, LA bitches do the most. I'm just bad at losing and they mad I use that finger roll. Tap in the racks in the money, I'm gone. I got your message, I'm not going home.
Right, just finished. I did some tried to do some. What did I try and do? I tried to do. Oh my god, I've got blank. I did some body weight, and then I did some leg extensions, and so. So we're gonna go have some porridge, cause.
I got your message, I'm not going home. I won't hate your line, but I swear I want some more. Fuck you all the time, no, I do not hit your phone. I've been all alone. They just started coming after me when I got
Douglas. Come here. See you.
Always playing with them.
Good boy. Ready? Ready? Good boy. Here's one. Ready? Off. Leave it. Aubrey. You're gonna bite me. Off. Good boy. Go over there. Sit. Paw. Paw. Piggy. So I've got some of this porridge again. It's so goddamn tasty. It's amazing stuff. What I think I'm gonna do today. Not that I really can. Is I wanted to prep some food for over the weekend because when I work, it's a lot of, because you can't eat because it's shit. That looks really appetizing, folks, doesn't it? So you get served in a fucking 5-star Michelin, 3 Michelin star hotel. Douglas, sit down. Paw. Good boy. Slobbered ball. Slobber ball. I'm going to eat that. And I'm going to go take Take you out. Yeah. Douglas. Paul? Hello. Go on, take it. Good boy. Gonna enjoy me some jam on bread. Jam on. We're jamming.
Red 26.
That's it for today, folks. Gonna end it off. Crack on to bed. Got work tomorrow at 5.